I really want to unpack how brands are now creating this cultural capital and how they exchange it, how they trade it in the market. You don't create a community just by creating an event. And the same short-term thinking remained, and the same way they're investing money in marketing gimmicks, say, oh, at Coachella, we're going to create this gigantic activation. Or we're going to create a branded cafe, or we're going to create a pop-up. That is all Instagrammable. That also all creates content, but it does not create scarcity or opacity or belonging or any other form of long-term cultural capital. What you're building is just going to exist for a limited amount of time, is going to give you impressions. And what I say is always, impressions are fast food. They're empty calories. And just like fast food is not really food, having those marketing gimmicks, is not really culture. And when you think about how can you create scarcity, for example, what Charli XCX is doing on her B-sides, she went from creating a massive spectacle with her Bread album release 2 years ago into going very private, very invite only, very sort of secretive. So her account called B-sides on Instagram, her album is dropping on July 24th. Is private. So that is how do you create scarcity in distribution. Scarcity also can exist in product scarcity, which means what are the limited edition drops. You narrow down how many products you're going to create, how many of those that you're going to have, so everyone can wear the same brand, but not everyone has the same thing. Second is distribution scarcity, which is this example that I said that Charli XCX is doing, which is basically she's limiting who can see B-sides of her new album. And then you can also create brand scarcity, so product distribution, brand experience scarcity, when you limit your events and your membership to be invite only. So it's not mass, it's you focus on very specific demographics or groups of people or top of your pyramid or exclusive customers.